Welcome to the History of Signs and Some Useful Applications, a journey into the past and a look at the present of one of history's most useful mathematical discoveries. You may be wondering what this site's for. It's a journey through the history of the trig function sine and also a key to unlock some learning about sines. But first, a quick review. Today, we study sines in terms of right triangles. In a right triangle, there are three sides that are related to any angle: the opposite side, the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse. The ratio of these sides make up the trigonometric functions. If you'll indulge me and allow me to go back to my college days, I will remind you of a saying to help you remember these ratios. SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. This means that the sine of x is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. The cosine of x is equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. And the tangent of x is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Please make sure you understand these ratios before you move on. So what can you expect to find on this site? There is an adventure with a group called the Math Magicians that may have some familiar characters. There's a presentation on the history of sine as a word and as a concept. You can experiment a little with an interactive application dealing with sines. You can print out and practice your work with sine. And you can follow along with a video as I determine if a tree is in danger of falling on my house. So click on some links and explore. The links are at the top of each page of the site, or you can click from the home page on the links below this video. So make like some of our most famous explorers, Lewis and Clark or Dora, and see what you can find. Thank you for joining me on this journey.